Hey, what's up, buddy? How are you? Glad you could make the video. This is Marvin Sykes, and you want to learn more about digital altitude. That's why you're here. Listen, this video package that they actually have, this training, actually what it is, it's a dollar trial. $1. For $1, you get to talk with a coach for a 2-week period. Now, after you talk with the coach, you're going to have steps you have to do. Now, I know me. I procrastinated a hell of a lot. And I messed up. I spent a ton of money, wasted a lot of money paying for Facebook ads, paying for solo ads, stuff I didn't know what the heck I was doing. But with these guys here, you get a coach and they show you what you need to be doing as you progress through the system. So for the $1 trial, they start you on your journey. Now, is there more money after the dollar? Of course. All right. There's monthly fees that you actually can pay to stay in the system and and learn more information. And then there's actually one-time fees or one-time investments in your own business that you actually can pay, so you can start generating more revenue, more income as people do the same exact thing that you're doing. I tell you, this system here, I just think is one of the top out there. Don't take my word for it. Keep searching on the internet, because I know that's how you found me. But if you want to connect with me and you want to partner up, I have a personal Facebook group, that I actually get my team in and I work with them and I show them the traffic sources that I use and how I'm generating leads, how I got in front of you. If you want to do video and you want to learn that, hey, I'm your boy. Let's go. Your man, rather. All right, let's go, and I'll show you exactly how you can do the same thing. So run to the link that I have right here. Go to the link there right now. All right, go to the link that I have right there right now, so you can put your name and email in. I'm gonna see that you sent the email. I'm gonna get an email saying that you came through, and then I'm gonna be giving you a call, so that way we can chat it up. But you'll definitely get to hear from your coach. Now, once you take the dollar trial, that's when the coach kicks in. All right. So be blessed, stay encouraged. Marvin Sykes. Talk to you later.